Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at GT247. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. GT247 is an award-winning South African Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 1998. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with GT247, and they are regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa. As a GT247 client, you will enjoy low-cost trading and tight spreads with access to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform and a variety of resources for research and analysis. Over a dozen professional traders and technical experts post blogs on the GT247 website, and there are plenty of insightful educational articles for beginners to use. GT247 offers a minimalistic, user-friendly website with a menu bar that is easy to navigate, and information about their account features and awards are displayed on the homepage. If you would like to learn more about their accounts, instruments, platforms, or company history, then you can choose an item from the menu bar. GT247 currently offers 65 currency pairs with tight spreads, along with a variety of commodities, indices, and JSE equity CFDs. The GT247 customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and they can be reached via telephone or email. Their details can be found under the Contact Us section, where you can view their direct numbers and email addresses. You can also submit a web ticket directly from the website. GT247's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. MetaTrader 5 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2010. It comes with a variety of premium quality, built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and so much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and more. You can also use MetaTrader 5 as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web interface. And this platform is designed to be beginner-friendly. GT247 offers two types of trading accounts, as well as a demo account. The account you choose will depend on whether you would like to use US dollars or South African Rands. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with GT247, and no monthly platform fee is charged. Along with the choice between these two accounts, traders can register a demo account, which can be used either to practice trading, test strategies, or explore the broker's offering in a risk-free trading environment, making use of virtual funds instead of the trader's own capital. Creating an account with GT247 may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the GT247 homepage, and then click on the Open Free Account button. Complete the online application form, and once the form has been completed, you will want to verify your account and email address. Next, log into the client portal, and once your account has been set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. After your account has been set up and approved, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 5, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with GT247. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a nice and simple buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading or have never used the MetaTrader 5 trading platform before, you can find a variety of helpful guides online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with the basics of platform functionality and understanding the platform. With regards to educational resources, you can visit the GT247 resources section for updated market notes, research and analysis notes, and educational content. There are more than a dozen professional traders that post articles on GT247, and their resources also provide detailed guides for beginners about how to be a better trader, using charting patterns for beginners, and much more. GT247 has won several awards over the years. In 2019, they were awarded by Intellidex Stockbroker Awards for being the top online stockbroker in South Africa. And they have also been awarded for being the best CFD provider in South Africa, the best in-class value for money by Intellidex Stockbroker Awards in 2016, as well as the #1 Investec company in Africa, awarded by the FinTech Africa Awards in 2016. Overall, GT247 is a trusted and popular South African broker that offers low-cost trading and tight spreads. As a client, you will have access to a variety of premium MetaTrader 5 trading tools and high-quality resources provided by industry experts. If you are interested, and if you are looking for a broker that offers competitive trading conditions and accepts South African Rands as a base currency, then we recommend opening an account with GT247 today. And that is our overview of GT247. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.